Hey guys, welcome to this quick video. This is going to be a quick demonstration of the GPT that I had created for listing ephemera on eBay in a quick, efficient manner. And let me just bring this up real quick. This is called the Vintage Print Ad Listing Machine. And what this does is it will analyze the image that is uploaded here and tell you what the print ad is about. It even goes through sizing and the condition of the paper. This will help you get your eBay listings up faster. And let's go through this real quick. So if you just click on the Start Here button, it's basically serving as a conversation starter for this GPT agent, and it's going to ask you to upload an image and let it know what date the advertisement was created. So with this particular one, this is a Mennen talcum powder vintage print ad, and this is from February of 1952. This actually appeared in Life magazine, and let me just drag this image over there and upload it. And now it's going to analyze this image here. So if you look at this image, it's obvious that it is a talcum powder, aftershave powder for men. It is about 3 inches across and about 14 inches down. This is probably going to come up as a 13-inch or so talcum powder print ad. But anyway, let's see what results we've got here. So option one for the eBay listing title says Mennen vintage print ad, Menin talcum for men after shaving, after bathing, which, yeah, so. But let's look at option three, which is probably what I like a little more. Mennen vintage print ad, talcum for men, make the finishing touch. Photo ad, February 1952. And if you go down here and look at the description a little bit, it really goes through in detail what it is. This is a vintage print ad, Menem Talc. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but it really does get into details. So it gives a lot of SEO heavy details for the eBay listing, which it's going to optimize your listing a little better. It even mentions the approximate size here at 3 inches across by 11.5 inches wide. And so it's pretty cool. There's a note here that I have it come up as saying this will be shipped United States Postal Service via media mail, and it comes out with the condition note regarding the condition of the paper, considering the age of it and whatnot. So anyway, if you're interested in exploring this GPT agent that I created, you can access it using the link below on this video and have some fun with it. Let me know how you're using it, and comment below, like the video, share, all that good stuff. And I appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.